Join us as we explore Old Highway 90, which leads us up the San Miguel River Canyon as we search for history and wildlife on a pleasant afternoon. Pay attention to the dark cloud at the top of the screen. He plays a starring role in the day as it progresses. Thanks for riding along and enjoy.
Travel on Old Highway 90 reminds me of a time when the roads we drive float along with the land and topology of its path. It's as if the old roads had a more intimate relationship with the land. New roads modify the natural layout and lack character. Please enjoy traveling with us as we navigate the corners carefully. We stop occasionally for my wife's still shots. Enjoy the ride, thank you.
When we stopped at the Pinion Cemetery, we quickly became engulfed in an afternoon monsoon. Being it was at over 6,000 feet elevation, temps dropped to hypothermic causing levels, and we were actually deluged in hail. We quickly broke for cover in an ancient tool shed's remains up the road 50 yards from the cemetery, and waited for the monsoon to pass. We quickly traveled home non-stop, using the warming air as an air dryer. It was very, very cold. It also reminded me to remind you, pack for weather especially in storm season. If you cannot wear it, frunk it. Thanks, and stay safe.